This is wild. Seedance 2.5 turns AI video from short clips into a real production engine with longer scenes, better editing, and stronger story flow. Let's dive in. So what's most exciting in the new Seedance 2.5 model? The biggest upgrade is simple: 30-second direct-to-video generation. That matters because AI video usually falls apart when you need rhythm, emotion, and continuity in one piece. With short outputs, you end up stitching clips, fixing transitions, and hoping the character still looks the same. Seedance 2.5 is pushing toward one complete scene that can carry a real narrative arc. Think about the narrative short sample. One clip can move through the emotional room, keep the character look consistent, keep the tone connected, and actually feel like a finished mini story instead of 3 separate AI shots taped together. That is the difference between a cool demo and something you could use for a brand film or short drama. Then look at the fantasy and concept short direction. This is where 30 seconds gets crazy. You can have dreamlike scene changes, cinematic camera movement, mood shifts, lighting changes, and still keep the whole piece feeling like one visual world. For music videos, concept films, and surreal promos, that is exactly the kind of thing that used to require serious editing just to fake continuity. Now the real comparison with Seedance 2.0 gets interesting. Seedance 2.0 already showed strong reference understanding, especially in that structure reconstruction style sample where the model follows camera work, pacing, and the logic of the source images. But Seedance 2.5 expands the ceiling hard because now you can upload up to 50 all-modality reference assets in one request. That means images, videos, and audio can all go in together. For the fashion and brand short samples, that is huge. Clothing, handbags, footwear, model references, scene references, product groups, all feeding into one generation so the final piece can keep the product details and model appearance stable across multiple looks and scenes. The ensemble scene samples are another big one. Multi-character video is where AI can get messy fast. Faces drift, outfits change, people blend together, and the scene loses control. Seedance 2.5 is built to take a larger cast plus environment references and keep that setup more stable, which is exactly what short drama, ads, and cinematic storytelling need. The graybox pre-visualization sample is probably one of the most underrated parts. This is not just pretty AI video. It means professional 3D structure, material references, and shot planning can carry into video generation. So instead of throwing away pre-production work, you can use it as control. That is a serious upgrade for film planning, product visualization, and commercial pitches. Then there is the editing side. Seedance 2.5 adds local video editing, which means you can keep the overall image, shot, and pacing, but change specific parts. A product, a background, a character detail, a face age, an expression, or even the visual style. That is the difference between generate once and pray, and generate once, then iterate until it is deliverable. The style swap sample makes that really clear. Same composition, same camera language, but the look can move between live action, illustration, manga, or another visual style. The character age and expression editing sample is just as important because it shows precision inside the shot instead of restarting the whole clip from scratch. And the global creator angle is not small either. Seedance 2.5 supports more than 10 languages with stronger instruction control. In the multilingual live selling sample, the same character can deliver the same segment in different languages with matching lip movement and subtitles. For ads, e-commerce, localization, and global campaigns, that is not just flashy, that is production speed. So the sneak peek is this. Seedance 2.0 already delivered impressive AI video, but using the same prompt, Seedance 2.5 shows a clear jump in motion, consistency, detail, and overall cinematic quality. Seedance 2.5 is coming to OpenArt soon, so use my referral link to join the waitlist now. As soon as it launches, waitlisted users will be added, receive immediate access, and get an email notification. Check out OpenArt and subscribe to Vortex for more AI video tests before everyone else catches up.